This video tutorial I will explain authentication versus authorization. First we will see what is authentication. Usually before login to the system, user has to provide username and password. If username and password is proper, then system allows to use the system, and this is called authentication. Basically the system is checking who are you, and system is validating the system is accessed by the right person. Next, we will see what is authorization. Once user authenticated, user will go inside the system, and there are various functionalities will be there. And based on the permission, the user can access certain functionalities, and user cannot access certain functionalities. And this is called authorization. Basically, it is are you allowed to do that or not? And based on the user permission, he can access certain functionalities or data. Authentication is act of validating that users are who they claim to be. Validating authenticity can be accomplished by having something physical like a key card, or having user login with passwords, or 2FA, or utilizing a captcha test, or even biometrics for a user. And authentication is used in conjunction with authorization usually, as it is important to authenticate the user is who they say they are before giving authorization. Authorization is a process of giving a user permission to access a specific resources or functions. And if we take any application, there will be admin users and general users. And admin user will have more abilities than the general users. And it is important to authorize the roles properly to ensure general users don't accidentally or intentionally harm a system. We can take example of blogging platform. In blogging platform, everyone should have access to read public post. And suppose user want to post the blog, then user should need to authenticate themselves as users. Then only they can post the blog. And user cannot post the blog as someone else. In blogging platform, admin users will be there. And what admin users will be doing is they will monitor the platform, monitor the associated database, and monitor the user activity. And for that, admin user need different level of authorization after they authenticated. In this case, authentication is needed before authorization is given to ensure users cannot post a blog as a different user, and users cannot modify things like admins. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.